Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Well, I'm so excited to come to you today because today is my first crochet along for the year. And I am making it a patriotic throw. So I will show you one of the squares. Here we go. This, I did create this design, but my sister Tanya came up with the whole idea of doing this as a crochet along. I originally was going to do this in a different design, and it just evolved into this, and it was going to be in different colors. And like I said, after talking with her, yeah, it turned into this amazing blanket here. So here's the colors. So yeah, so what you need to do on this, if you'd like to join, this is, I believe it's a 5-week. Hold on, I have my notes here. Plenty of notes. It is a 5-week crochet along, in case you're interested. That means about 9 squares a week, along with the 9 stars. Let's see. June the 20th is when I will post a video on assembling the throw. And but I will show you in this video what it looks like to have your first row. And I did seam up from the back side. So if you already know how to take a strand of yarn and seam them up on the back side, then you know you can easily do that. I'm going to try to seam mine up as I go. So I personally will probably just do the 10 squares, so that since it's a row of 5, I'll just do 5, 5, 5, 5 like that and have it done. Let's see. There are 35 squares. Oh yes, and there are going to be 2 winners, courtesy of my sister Tanya, for a $50 Joanns gift card, and I will be doing a $50 Hobby Lobby card. If you are one of the winners and you are international, we will figure out something for you guys. I know that everyone would not necessarily want to do the red, white, and blue. You can make it in any color that you want. It just needs to go by this pattern, and it needs to be, you know, look just like it, but the colors can be different. So how you need to enter is Facebook group page. You can post pictures of your update on your blanket so that everyone can see and everyone can be excited. I know I'm going to be doing that, and matter of fact, I've got mine laid out here, a video clip real quick, but I will be posting what I've got done so far. And but what I will do is on June, I believe it's June the 20th, yeah, I will make an official post for everyone to post their finished blanket, and you have until July the 1st, and that's when I will pick a winner. So if you don't have Facebook, you can email me, because I plan on doing a slideshow of everyone's beautiful throws that they've made, especially you know, if they make them in other colors and just combine everything. I just think it's going to be so pretty. But yeah, so July the 1st, 2 winners will be announced of, you know, for photo submissions. That's the only way you can enter, is photo submissions, and of the finished blanket by July the 1st. So June the 20th, I will put out the official post on Facebook, and only in that post do you need to submit your photo. So there will be 18 red and white squares and 17 blue and white squares. Now, of course, if you want to make this bigger, that's up to you. So I made mine about 7.5 inches. If you're a tight crocheter, you may need to add a couple of rows to get that, or you may want your squares to be 9 inches or 8 inches. That's up to you. You can add as many rows as you want and make your squares, you know, big or small. That's up to you. I am using an H hook. That's a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook to do mine. You can use any hook size. You can actually use any yarn size you want. Yarn colors, hook, whatever. You know, as long as you're making the squares with the stars in the middle. Let's see. So, oh yeah, for the amount of yarn. The big twist is about 380 yards. It's going to take 4 to 5 to do the white, and about 2 for the red and 2 for the blue. So I would say about 9 to 10 maybe skeins of yarn to complete this. Okay, and I do have a tutorial. I will leave that link below on how to make this blanket. So be sure and tell Tanya, my sister Tanya Tucker, be sure and tell her thank you, because this is all her idea. She is the one who even came up with donating $50 of her own money for this. And so I was like, well, if you do 50, I've got to do 50. I can't, you know. So we decided, instead of having a 50 and a 25 for first and second, we're just both going to do 50. And I think it's so exciting, and I look forward to seeing everyone's submissions, everyone's updates. But yeah, let's go ahead and look at the clip real quick so that you can kind of see what's going on with the squares. Okay, so here's what the squares look like when they're put together. I've already seamed 5 of them together. And when I plan on doing 5 across, and that makes about 36 inches. Of course, you know, we'll have the border on it. So I'm figuring maybe close to 40 across. And so I wanted to show you what they look like separately. And then here's one I didn't put the star on, so you can see what it looks like without the star. Yeah. There's the star. Okay. So here's the yarn I'm using. It's just Big Twist. I get these at Joanns. You can use any yarns you want, like I said. This is Varsity Blue, Varsity Red, and that's just white. And there's about 380 yards in these, I believe. These are 380 yards and 100% acrylic. Machine wash, low iron, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, dry clean, dry flat. So, and they're medium full weight. So I hope that helps you. I hope that helps you get excited. This is going to be so much fun. And like I said, it's only a 5-week crochet along. You can do that. And this will be done in time. I tried to make sure that it would be done in plenty of time to enjoy your blanket. So if you get finished, you know, quicker, that's fine. It depends on, I will probably be finished way before the time, you know that. I mean, I crochet pretty fast. So I plan on being on the ball and getting it done quicker. But yeah, June the 20th is when you need to start posting. July, you've got until July the 1st. Because July the 1st, well, not all day July the 1st, because July the 1st I will be pulling the winner. So actually, I guess it'd be the day before. The last day of June, when you actually need to post it. Okay, guys, I look forward to seeing everyone's submissions. I look forward to doing this, and thank you, Tanya, for you know, getting this crochet along going. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.